AI and creativity? Can machines be truly creative? As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and nuanced creative capabilities. The future may see AI systems that can understand and interpret human emotions, preferences, and cultural contexts, leading to more personalized and meaningful creative outputs. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI, this side Asif Amanat. Today, we are diving into a thought-provoking topic, AI and creativity. Can machines be truly creative? It's an intriguing question that sparks debates and opens up exciting possibilities. So, let's explore the intersection of AI and creativity in today's video. Introduction. Creativity is often considered a uniquely human trait, encompassing the ability to generate novel ideas, produce original works of art, and solve complex problems in innovative ways. But with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, we're witnessing AI systems that exhibit creative capabilities. The question arises, can machines really be creative, or is it something exclusive to human intelligence? Defining creativity. Creativity involves the generation of something new and valuable, whether it's a painting, a piece of music, a poem, or a groundbreaking scientific theory. It goes beyond mere replication or recombination and involves the ability to think outside the box, make connections, and produce novel and meaningful outputs. AI creative potential. Artificial intelligence has demonstrated remarkable achievements in various creative domains. Let's explore some examples that highlight AI potential to exhibit creativity. Example 1, Music composition. AI systems, such as JukeDeck and Amper Music, can compose original music by analyzing vast musical datasets and generating melodies, harmonies, and even entire compositions. While the AI is trained on existing music, it can generate new and unique compositions in various styles, demonstrating the capacity to create music that is enjoyable and evokes emotions. Example 2, Visual art. AI-generated visual art has gained attention, with systems like DeepArt and Deep Dream creating stunning images. AI algorithms employ deep learning to analyze patterns from existing artworks, enabling them to produce unique, aesthetically pleasing visuals that often blend different artistic influences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as we see you are not yet subscribed. We have really interesting videos coming in the future, which will help you gain knowledge and eventually earn. So hit that bell icon and subscribe. Example 3, Writing and storytelling. AI language models, such as OpenAI GPT-3, have shown the ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. From writing poetry and short stories to generating news articles, AI systems can produce text that mimics human writing styles and exhibits creative elements, even if they lack true understanding. Comment down below, what are your thoughts? Can AI really suppress human creativity? Understanding AI creativity. While AI systems can produce outputs that resemble creativity, it's important to note that they operate based on patterns, algorithms, and data they have been trained on. They lack human-like consciousness or subjective experiences that shape human creativity. AI creative outputs are based on statistical patterns and computational processing rather than personal experiences, emotions, or the ability to reflect on the world. The role of human-AI collaboration. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement for human creativity, we can explore the concept of human-AI collaboration. Combining human ingenuity and the computational power of AI systems can yield remarkable results. AI can assist humans in generating ideas, exploring possibilities, and enhancing creative workflows. It can serve as a tool, a source of inspiration, or even a collaborator, augmenting human creativity rather than replacing it. The future of AI and creativity. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and nuanced creative capabilities. The future may see AI systems that can understand and interpret human emotions, preferences, and cultural contexts, leading to more personalized and meaningful creative outputs. AI may contribute to new art forms, music genres, and innovative problem-solving approaches that push the boundaries of human imagination. Conclusion. While AI systems can produce outputs that resemble creativity, true creativity encompasses human experiences, emotions, and consciousness. However, AI creative potential opens up exciting possibilities for collaboration and augmentation, where human creativity can be enhanced by AI tools. The future of AI and creativity holds immense potential, and it will be fascinating to witness how these realms intersect and evolve. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of AI and creativity. If you found this topic intriguing, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.